Okay, so Basil's come back. Come on then, Baz. Hang on, uncover this food again. Basil, here. Come on, mate. Here we go. Come on then, my babes. Good boy. Good boy. How are you? All right? Where have you been for the last couple of hours? You came earlier, then you disappeared again. Now you're back again. So the music's obviously not bothering you too much. Baz, here, mate. Here. Come on. Here. Come on. Come and get this. Sorry, I forgot to bring the other plate out again. What am I like? Yeah, party's in full swing, wherever it may be. It's at the back of the houses to the right, apparently. Here we go. It's all right. Do you want any more, Baz? Do you want any more? Here, Basil. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on, my boy. No, I don't know if he's coming back or if he's not. Come on, Baz. Here we go. Oh, it's gotten a bit windy again now, hasn't it? Yeah. Gotten a bit windy again, my babes. It has. You are a handsome man, aren't you? Good boy. Right, Baz, do you want some chicken? Basil? Baz. Here. Basil. No, he's just decided to do a runner. Okay, hopefully he'll come back later. Right, I'll see you soon. Okay, ChipChip's just come back and I've just noticed that the bowl, so the cat, as I call it, the kamikaze cat's under the car. Come on, my babes. She just come looking for some food. Hold on, my darling. Do you want some chicken, my sweetie? Here. One. Here we go. Come on then, my lovely. Good girl. Are you only going to take the one? What's going on? Alright, she's just taken the one, but I'm going to wait here a second because I want to catch this cat. It is hilarious if I can. So, right, let's just do this. I'm going to just put some food in this bowl that I've got in here. I'm waiting as well, just in case Chip comes back for the other piece of chicken, to be fair. I don't really want the cat to get it. No, can't see her for a minute. Right, can you see the cat now? But this cat is absolutely hilarious the way it goes across on its stomach to get the food. So I'm just going to go and swap the bowls over because, like I say, this other one is totally empty. Let me put that one there a sec, that one there, and then I'm going to grab this piece of chicken because it will. I know what this cat's like, it will run and grab this chicken, and then I'm going to go indoors. Now if it doesn't come with the lights on, I'm going to have to put the lights off, but I will put my phone outside so you can see its actions. So yeah, it's not going to come because I'm here. So I'm going to do that. and you just watch the way it comes across on its, literally on its stomach. So I'm shutting my door and I'm going to turn the lights off, so you can't hear me for a minute. Don't worry, I'm still here. Oh, I hope you got that. That is just so hilarious, that cat. It really does tickle me. And I see that every night from inside, but I've never caught it on camera. But I have now. Oh, brilliant. Well, I hope I have anyway. Okay, that's it. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.